So this is a video that I didn't expect to be making this early, if I'm honest, but AGI is here, it's real, and you can use it today. And I basically haven't left the house for the past 2 weeks. I haven't gone to the gym, I've barely eaten, barely slept, and I've been here working on a generational Claude Code lock-in with a bunch of my best friends in the space. Just absolutely obsessing over the incredible tools that we have available now that, as far as I can tell from the results that I'm getting with my own business and how I'm using it there, is AGI. So the future is already here, it's just not evenly distributed. And there's massive ramifications for this. It's, on one hand, quite scary to think, once people actually get this in their hand, where this is going to go. But all I know is that if you've been in AI, this is the bet that we made. This is, when I decided to get into AI, I'm like, I know there's going to be something like this. At some point, the technology is going to get good enough and it's going to absolutely take off. And this is like the ChatGPT moment all over again for me. The entire, like a whole new world has opened up. I've never had this much energy to pour into anything really. And before I go any further, if you guys are new to the channel and don't know who I am and you're wondering who this kid is who's telling you that the robots are coming and AGI is here, my name's Liam Otley and I've been building AI businesses for the past 3 years. I got into AI just after ChatGPT dropped. I've been making YouTube videos here on how to learn AI and start businesses with it. I've run multiple different companies, software, agency, education, and after all of my experience, this is what it's led up to. This feels like the ChatGPT moment part 2. And this is really the moment that I've been waiting for. The reason I got into AI, and so many other people did too, is this very moment to be positioned at the start when the gun went off, and it has just gone off. And in this video, I'm going to share how I'm using it, how my friends are using it, and how you can also set yours up too. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you've been waiting for this stuff too. You're perfectly positioned. And so while on one hand it's terrifying about looking at 5, 10 years down the line, hell, even 3, what this is going to look like, right now, it is like, we need to have a party. Like we need to all collectively have a party because this is what we've been waiting for. And everything that you've ever wanted in your life, guys, is available now to you with this technology that exists. And I don't care if you're non-technical or technical, there is a way for you to learn what I'm going to talk about in this video and apply it to any business. I see this as essentially an AI operating system is what I'm calling it. Using Claude Code to run whatever business model it is. If you're an agency owner, AI automation agency owner, AI business owner, and you're watching my videos, it's a layer around that can allow you to essentially automate your entire business. And I don't say that lightly. I'm sure if you've been in AI for a while, you know how maybe you'll set up this new system. It might be like Notion connected to Claude, and you get all excited because you think you're finally going to have this incredible AI system that you wanted. And you pour a bunch of time into it. It kind of gets halfway there, and then it's just limited and can't do the rest. The stuff that I've been working on here and locking in until like 2:30 a.m., waking up at 7 and going all over again, this stuff actually meaningfully automates and moves you towards where you're trying to go, such as literally running your entire business or life from your phone, in this case, Telegram. And no, this is not OpenClaw, this is not ClaudeBot, this is using straight Claude Code. So I'm going to do a bunch of videos on why you need to completely scrap that rubbish and focus on what I'm talking about here. It's a great time to be alive. And like, we're going to look back and our kids are going to ask us, like, where were you when the singularity happened? Where were you when AGI first became a thing? And like right now I'm bashing away in the Claude Code terminal. And like that's going to be like when people are, the first people using computers were like putting punch cards into a machine. You know, like we are at that stage now of this. So I just want to give you guys a bit of hope and encouragement that like that you're going to feel rushed, and there definitely is a rush. I mean, if you look at 12, 24 months from here, I don't know what happens to business, to the economy, when people actually get access to this and are able to build businesses, create income streams, to automate things at such a rapid rate as I've been able to do here. On one hand, it's going to be incredible because the cost of services across basically everything is going to drop massively. And that's effectively a pay rise for everyone when things cost less. But what that does to business in 3, 5, 10 years, I don't know. I'm going to do a video investigating that. But what I really want to be clear about in this video is that the timer starts now, right? Like right in this room here, you guys are going to see it in a lot of vlog stuff I'm doing at the moment. But like there are groups of people spearheading this right now. And the sooner you can adapt this stuff, sooner you can understand it and apply it to whatever business you're doing, or maybe you're trying to start a business. I'm going to be making content around that as well, about how to use it to start a business and get it off the ground. The ones who are going to benefit the most from it right now are the people with existing businesses who are operating at scale, have probably 5 times more staff than they need at this point with these things in mind. And they are really going to be able to milk it over the next 12, 18 months, while the prices are still high for all of these services, and yet they can massively drop their costs and increase the speed at which they're able to deliver for clients. There's so many instances of how I'm using it, of how the guys who I've been working here with have been using it to just completely cut out whole sections of review loops and building custom softwares and dashboards, setting up programmatic SEO on autopilot, being able to automate video editing, ideation, for once having a full AI brain that fully understands you, your business, what you do, your tasks and projects. Like, this is real, guys, and I'm so excited to share it with you all. I'm so excited to walk this journey with you to getting to what like my channel's always been about, is using this technology to build your dream life. And finally, it really is possible for every single person, I believe, that watches this channel. So guys, take it in, take a moment and be grateful that you were here at this moment when AGI arrived and you have access to this information. You are going to be able to do anything you want with your life. And I'm so excited for you, for me, and for anyone who's willing to be open-minded and even brave to try and learn a new skill and really master what's possible with Claude Code right now. And honestly, there's probably too much to explain this full system, how it works, but essentially using Claude Code as the engine to have full understanding of you, your business, your context, everything about you, pulling in data from all sources, understanding your workflows and being able to create repeatable systems that Claude Code can execute on for you. Identifying different modules and plugins, like, hey, do you want this put on Telegram? Do you want it put on WhatsApp? Do you want to set up this programmatic SEO? Do you want to install the editing module? What we're starting to see is we're mapping out this entire new industry of essentially clusters of Claude Code functionality that can be easily plugged in and transferred and then adapted to your use case. And by AGI, I mean, this is the equivalent of having an incredibly intelligent human who has access to all of your business data, can do everything you want it to. It's like a literal digital employee that can be trained to do anything you want and improve itself and can be very easily scaled up. And so because there's so much new stuff going on and it's going to be absolute chaos for the next 6 months, I'm going to be actively pushing out as much information as I can to you guys here on this channel. I'm also going to be setting up a few other things. The main one being, if you're looking to understand what this AGI is, how to wield it, how to use it to start or to scale your business, or to, if you're a business owner, just get your time back first and foremost and then worry about scaling. I'm going to be doing a webinar, which is going to be available in the description below. All the details are going to be in that link below. And there, in that webinar, I'm going to be showing you a full breakdown of my system, how I'm currently running it, the key theory and principles you need to understand to wrap your head around what this is. I'm going to be breaking down the step-by-step setup instructions on how you can build this out for yourself. I'm also going to be including the exact starter template that you need to start moving on this. And I'll be sharing some of the top use cases and some of those modules that I've been talking about that are the most powerful and things that you should start plugging in straight away. And also, if you're a member of my accelerator program, every single day, Monday to Friday, I'm in there doing workshops, talking through this, sharing what I'm learning. Each day I'm discovering new things to build into my system. My friends are as well. I'm just pumping that all into workshops with my accelerator because we want to be really spearheading this, and right now we are. It's so exciting to see what everyone else is doing in the community with this. But something big is happening here, guys. We get to be part of it. If you're watching this video, it's timed perfectly. So if you want to get into it and get started, that webinar, there's so much to show you. I have to do it in some sort of webinar format, so it's going to be down there in the description. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on there, and I'm so excited for you to be able to achieve everything you've ever dreamed of in your life, build the life of your dreams with this. I certainly will be, and I hope you join me in doing so.